Hi, I'm Sean from Pictar, and first of all I'd like to thank you for buying the Pictar Pro. And this series of videos that we're going to do for you is going to help you unlock all the features of this product. And we're going to go through them one by one. In the first instance, I'd just like to explain that there are two versions of the product. There's the Pictar Pro and there's Pictar Pro Charge. The Charge version allows you to wirelessly QI charge your phone, whereas the Pictar Pro doesn't. I am going to be using the Pictar Pro Charge for all the demonstrations, but unless I state otherwise, they operate in exactly the same way. Let's get started. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Open it all up. Remove the Pictar Pro and the viewfinder. I'm just going to ease out the inner packaging like that. The Pictar Pro comes with the viewfinder attached, so I'm just going to remove that. So those are two of the items that come in the box. Then inside the inner lining here, there's the wrist strap. Really useful that for attaching the Pictar Pro to your wrist, so there's no danger of you dropping the product. And then in the side pockets on both sides there's a really nice soft travel case, which is really good for when you're out and about and protecting your product after you've bought it. And on the other side there's the micro USB cable for recharging your product. And then finally there is the quick start guide, which is also in the box, and that's got all the information that you need to get started when you buy the product.